This example is only tailored to photography and digital arts management, but I believe it can also apply to restaurant where adding a menu item might be something you have to do. So for this example, we want to add a package for a photographer, someone who is now a photographer and they're starting up and they want to track this their entire business from the ground up and eventually present it to investors to get them a business loan or a stake purchase. So we want to add what? We want to add a package. So I want to go to packages, obviously, and then add a package name. Let's say, what is the package name? What do we want to call this one? Let's say beginner level one. Description, let's just say basic 20 photos. No retouch. Auto. Let's just say you auto configuration where the photographer will preset their entire software, let's say Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe Photoshop, where they preset their entire configurations and then stick it like that and then just upload a picture in it and then just auto set the before and after, and then that's what they do for every photo. So for this concept, let's just say we charge $50 for 20 photos. And it says that you get 25 minutes. And yeah, it's active since we're putting it on for other people to use. For a hidden, meaning that you're no longer using that package since you're now, just say it for the public to use, since I don't think VIPs will want something like this. Or VIP could want it as a way to test how well you are or how good you are. So $50, let's say, and then save. So that is how you save a package for photography.